Hello everyone, this is Kamrun Nahar, class 8 English version. Dear students, how are you? I hope you are well. Today is chapter 5, lecture 3. Okay. First one, brain. What is brain? The central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. Okay. Central nervous system, brain and spinal cord consist of. Brain is the sole controlling agent of the whole nervous system. Human brain is contained and protected within the skull. Okay, protected. Protected what? Within the skull. Brain is covered by 3 layers of membrane called meninges. This is another important MCQ. Brain cover. What is the name of brain covered membrane? That is meninges. Human brain has 3 major parts. Okay, 3 major parts. Number 1, cerebrum. This is number 1, cerebrum. And it is also called forebrain. Number 2, midbrain, and number 3, hindbrain. Okay, hindbrain. First one, cerebrum. Look at the picture. This is cerebrum. The cerebrum is the main part of human brain. Okay, look at the figure. Large part of brain. Okay, portion of brain. Okay, this is cerebrum. Cerebrum is the main part of the human brain. It consists of 2 incompletely divided lobes, the right and the left cerebral hemisphere lobe. Okay, the 2 hemispheres are connected to each other by both tracts of nerve fiber. Okay, the human cerebrum is comparatively more developed than in many other animals. Very important line. Human cerebrum is comparatively more developed than any other animals. The exterior surface of the cerebrum, the cerebral cortex, okay, outer layer is known as cortex. In a convoluted or fold grayish layer, okay, grayish layer of cell bodies or neurons known as the gray matter. Okay, so brain outer layer is gray layer. Okay, the gray matter covered an undulating mass of the fibers or axon called the white matter. So outer layer gray matter and inner layer হচ্ছে white matter. Okay, only nerve fiber or axons are present here and no cell body is found. As the nerve fiber are white in color, the layer beneath of cortex is known as white matter. Gray matter has many layers of nerve cells. These nerve cells by accumulation from nerve center of different part of the cerebrum. These center act as functional site for specialized activities such as your vision, hearing, smell, thinking, memory, knowledge, okay, intelligence. Your intelligence also bear to cerebrum, and movement of muscles are controlled by the nerve center. Okay, the lower part of the cerebrum constitute the thalamus and hypothalamus. Okay, here thalamus and hypothalamus, these are the collected of gray matter. Your anger, shame, hot, cold, sleep, temperature, okay, regulation and movement of the body are controlled by this region. Okay, then go to midbrain. This is midbrain, the area between cerebrum and pons. Okay, here pons, cerebrum and pons, middle portion situated midbrain. Okay, it acts as center for auditory and visual reflexes. Okay, then go to hindbrain. It is located at the lower back of the cerebrum. It is smaller than cerebrum. The main function of the hindbrain is to maintain the balance of the body. It also controls speech and movement of the body. The hindbrain consists of 3 parts. Okay, number 1 cerebrum, 2 pons, and then spinal cord, medulla oblongata, such as. First one, cerebrum. Okay, cerebrum. This is cerebrum and this is cerebellum. Okay, cerebellum and cerebellum is different. Then go to cerebellum is located at the back of the brain and hind pons. It remains suspended. Cerebellum is divided into right and left part. Okay, then pons. This is pons. Pons, it is located in front of and under the cerebrum, and connecting medulla oblongata. This is here. Okay, connecting medulla oblongata with the upper part of the brain. Then go to medulla oblongata, the long stalk. Okay, this is a also known brain stalk also. Okay, spinal cord or medulla oblongata, the long stalk like lowermost portion of the brain stem is called the medulla oblongata. Starting from the lower end of pons, the medulla oblongata extend up to a spinal cord. It connected the brain with the spinal cord, so it is called the stalk of the brain. Okay, what is known as the stalk of the brain? So spinal cord. Okay, up to spinal cord, it connected the brain with the spinal cord. Here spinal cord and then medulla oblongata. So it is called the stalk of the brain. Medulla oblongata controls various reflection like breathing, swallowing, heartbeat, etc. Okay, these are the description of brain, and this is the figure of structure of brain. Okay, আমি খুব ইজি করে এঁকেছি, সো ইউ ক্যান ফলো দিস। দেন গো টু স্পাইনাল কর্ড। দিস ইজ স্পাইনাল কর্ড। দ্য স্পাইনাল কর্ড ইজ প্রোটেক্টেড। ওকে, দ্য স্পাইনাল কর্ড ইজ প্রোটেক্টেড বাই ভার্টিব্রাল কলাম। Okay, in spinal cord, the positions of gray matter and white matter are reverse of brain. Okay, reverse brain, outer layer gray matter, inner layer white matter, but spinal cord outer layer white and inner layer is gray matter. So this is called the reverse of brain. Matter are reverse, gray matter inside and white matter outside. Okay, a large number of nerve fibers, sensory and motor, ascend or descend along the white matter of the spinal cord. So what do you mean by spinal cord? This is 2-nong question. Okay, and cerebrum is important question. Describe the main part of brain. So you will write the description of cerebrum. Or what do you mean by, what is the difference of cerebrum and cerebellum? So this is. Okay, then go to reflex section. What is reflex section? First one, show the figure. Here এখানে দেখো, প্রথমে আমি একটু বলে নেই, তোমাকে একটি মশা কামড় দিয়েছে। হ্যাঁ, সেই জিনিসটা তুমি অনুভূতি পাবা স্কিন দিয়ে। স্কিন, দেন সেন্সরি নার্ভ go to spinal cord. Okay, spinal cord, and here it is reflected. Okay, opposite. So go to sensory nerve and out the motor nerve. Okay, here gray matter and white matter outer part, gray matter inner part, and this is central canal, and this is from this to this is called spinal cord, and here ভলান্টারি মাসেল। দেন তুমি হাতটাকে টেনে নিবে বা অন্য হাত দিয়ে মশাটাকে মারবে। হ্যাঁ, এবার আমি চলে যাই। দেখো রিফ্লেক্স অ্যাকশন, হোয়াট উইল ইউ ডু হোয়েন এ মসকিটো সিটস অন ইউর হ্যান্ড? ইউ মাস্ট ট্রাই টু কিল দ্য মসকিটো। ওকে, আর ইউ ডু দিস? হাউ ডু ইউ ফিল দ্যাট মসকিটো ইজ অন ইউর হ্যান্ড? You feel mosquito bites, so you do so. Okay, so you do so. You feel mosquito bites through nerve impulse. Okay, this is. This is mosquito bite, nerve impulse. This is sensory nerve. Okay. Mosquito bites nerve impulse and response to this stimulus is also due to nerve impulse. The mirror reflect light instantly when is received light. Reflex action is also like that. Okay. Then reflex action is the consequence of immediate action of nerve impulse. What is the nerve impulse? Okay. One question. Nerve impulse is information in the form of electrical impulses flows through the nerve cell is called the nerve impulse. When a mosquito sits on your hand, we drive it away, or when a pin pricks, another example, okay, when a pin pricks our hand or feet, we withdraw our hand or feel immediately. ওকে, মশা কামড় দিয়েছে, এখন তুমি কি মারবে 1 ঘন্টা পরে? না, ঠিক আছে। দেখো, বা তোমার হাতে একটা পিন ফুটলো, এটাকে তো তোমার বুঝতে হবে, ঠিক আছে। দেখো, হোয়াট ইট হ্যাপেন, দ্য প্রেজেন্স অফ মসকিটো অন দ্য হ্যান্ড স্টিমুলাস অ্যান্ড সেন্স অর্গান, দ্য সেন্সেশন ট্রাভেলস ফ্রম দ্য সেন্স অর্গান টু দ্য স্পাইনাল কর্ড থ্রো সেন্সেসরি নার্ভ ফাইবার। এই যে, ওকে, through the sensory nerve fiber where central. In response, the central nerve system send back a message through motor nerve. So this is send a message through motor nerve fibers to the muscles or hand, and as a result we drive away or kill the mosquito. Okay. Then go to reflex action occurs automatically. Okay. Reflex action occurs automatically without consequence throughout. It may be benefit as the inborn automatic action of the body which are done without the involvement of thinking or brain. Okay. মানে ব্রেনের সাথে কোনো রিলেটেড নাই, এটা হচ্ছে স্পাইনাল কর্ড। Thus these actions are immediate and spontaneous and may be described as automatic response or stimuli. Reflex action are usually conveyed through spinal cord by a path called reflex arc, 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 reflex arc. A reflex arc has the following constituents, 5 parts. Okay, first one, first one, receptor organ. This is 1. First one, receptor organ. This is 1. 2, sensory nerve. This is 2, sensory nerve. Third one, interneurons. Interneurons mean this portion. Okay, interneurons. Then motor nerve reflected. Interneurons here, 3. Motor nerve, this is 4. And 5 হচ্ছে effector organ. Effector organ means your voluntary muscles. Okay, these are the 5 parts that is needed for reflex action. Okay, first one receptor, second one sensory nerve, third one interneurons, fourth motor nerve, fifth voluntary muscles. Okay, everyone clear? I think clear. Then a explanation. Okay, immediately after the pin prick the skin of your hand, তোমার হাতে হঠাৎ করে একটা পিন ঢুকেই যেতে পারে, স্টাপলারের পিন বা আলপিন বা সুই। ওকে, দ্য সেন্সেসরি অর্গান পারসিভ দ্য স্টিমুলি অফ পেইন। কে প্রথমে এটা গ্রহণ করবে? সেন্সেসরি অর্গান। হ্যাঁ, তোমার হাতে যে পিনটা ফুটেছে। ওকে, স্টিমুলি of pain, this painful stimuli passes into the spinal cord through sensory nerve. Okay, passes through spinal cord through sensory nerve. Okay, interneurons transmitted the impulse from affect neurons or efferent neurons. Okay, the motor nerve carries the message from spinal cord to the muscle. Okay, motor nerve to the muscles. The effector organ shows response to the stimuli and consequently muscle contract and we withdraw our hand from painful stimuli. আঙ্গুলের মধ্যে যদি সুই ঢুকে তুমি কি সেটা দিয়ে বসে থাকবে? না। ওকে, দেখো, ইট ইজ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট টু রিয়েলাইজ দ্যাট okay, this figure is greatly simplified picture of a reflex action. Okay, a reflex action or arc, okay, ARC, reflex action or arc of human body. This is a simple figure. It is very important to realize that figure is a greatly simplified picture of a reflex action. In a reflex action, first a sense organ is stimulated by a pain prick. This sensation travels from the sense organ to the spinal cord through the afferent or sensory nerve fibers. It responds. The central nerve system sends back a message through the afferent or motor nerve fibers of the muscle of the organ, and as a result the organ is withdrawn. Okay, apparently the simple reflex action is in fact very complex event. The nerve fibers conduct impulse from the sensory side of a reflex arc of the brain. The other fibers conduct impulses from the brain to the opposite side of the spinal cord. Okay, this connection with the brain enable a person to be aware of certain spinal reflexes and up to a point central control over them. Reflex action is a combined act. Okay, combined act, you know already 5 parts. Okay, in absence of any of the 5 parts which mark reflex action effective, it cannot work properly. Okay, which mark reflex action effective, 5 parts, otherwise it cannot work properly. So this is the lesson of today. Here your SW will be describe the reflex action with figure. This is very important question, reflex action. Okay, describe the reflex action with figure. This is very important. And another important question is what is reflex action 1 and 2, and reflex action process through figure and describe this. And here cerebrum, what is cerebrum, what is midbrain, what is cerebellum, what is pons, what is spinal cord. Okay, this is the structure of brain. What is the difference of cerebrum and cerebellum, what is spinal cord. Spinal cord all is your brain to কোটিদেশ, কোমর পর্যন্ত। হ্যাঁ, তা আর সমস্ত দেহে হচ্ছে তোমার নার্ভ, আর স্পাইনাল কর্ডটা হচ্ছে ফ্রম ব্রেন টু ইয়োর ব্যাক সাইড, হ্যাঁ, কোমর পর্যন্ত। আর সমস্ত দেহে হচ্ছে তোমার নার্ভ থাকে আর স্পাইনাল কর্ড এতটুকু। হ্যাঁ, আচ্ছা, দিস ইজ ইম্পর্ট্যান্ট রিফ্লেক্স অ্যাকশন। সো দ্যাটস অল, সি ইউ লেটার, আল্লাহ হাফেজ।